Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. This is Shefali Singla, and in today's session we will be discussing about Infix to Postfix conversion. That is one of the very important application of stack. So yesterday we had started with our discussion with the stack data structure, and today we will be starting with the applications of stack. Before starting with the session, let's talk about what Envision batch is and daily at what time we are having the session. So Envision batch was started on 10th of October, and this batch is basically targeting on GATE 2021. This is basically an English batch course in which daily we are having 7 sessions of 1 hour each. So the duration of this batch is 7 hours daily. Timing is 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. and we are covering the concepts of general aptitude, discrete mathematics, computer networks, data structures and programming, compiler design, operating systems and algorithms. As you can see that I have started with the concepts of data structures and programming, as this is very important from GATE point of view as well as from placements point of view. And the timing for the session is daily 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So daily we are having the session from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. on data structures and programming. So you guys can join the session at this time. And we'll talk about one of the very useful app, that is Unacademy learning app. This app is available on both the Play Store and the Apple Store. So you guys can download this app in order to make use of your time. Like you can follow the free sessions. You can also attempt quizzes, mock tests, test series and so on. So just make sure you are downloading the learning app, because one more app is available, but that is for the educators. That won't help you out much. And the next important point is, if you want to cover 100% syllabus in detail or you want to join the crash course, in that case I'll suggest you to go for the subscription. We have 2 types of subscriptions, Plus subscription and the Iconic. Plus is the basic plan to get started with, and Iconic takes your preparation level to the next level with the help of personal coach. If we talk about the benefits of the Plus, so whatever benefits are available in the Plus, those all benefits are also available in the Iconic. Along with this, some additional benefits are also there. So Plus ke benefits ke, first of all, you can access unlimited interactive live classes which are taken by India's best educators. This means that for one particular subject or for one topic also, you can refer to any number of interactive live sessions. In case if you have missed any live session and you want to follow the session by a particular educator, in that case you can follow the recorded session. But yeah, interactive session में benefit क्या होता है, whatever queries are coming up, you can immediately ask your queries, but recorded session में that is not the case. So Plus and Iconic courses are designed in such a way that every 4th session will be a doubt solving session. This means that, for example, in session 1, session 2, session 3 we have covered some concepts. Session 4 will be a doubt solving session or practice session. So you will be provided with the daily practice problems and you need to solve those questions, as practice is very important, and whatever queries will be there, that will be handled in the doubt solving session. Again in session 5, 6 and 7 you'll be learning some concept. 8 will be a doubt solving session and so on. That is the meaning of doubt solving session. Hi, good evening Himanshu. Apart from this, structured courses and PDFs will be provided to you, and live tests and quizzes are also included in the subscription plan. Quizzes में we do have weekly quizzes, so that कि जो भी आपने पूरे week में learn किया, you'll get the confirmation, you'll get the clarity कि आपको कितना concept समझ में आया, right? So these are the benefits of the Plus subscription. Apart from these benefits, we have some additional benefits in the Iconic, like you will be getting a guidance from the personal coach. He or she will help you to identify your weak area and the strong area, so that you get a direction in which you need to put in more efforts. Personalized test analysis will be done. Study planner will be provided to you. Preparatory study material will also be provided to you. This means that you need not to waste your time on preparing the material or collecting the material. Everything will be provided to you. सिर्फ आपकी तरफ से practice के लिए efforts required है, because आपके behalf पे nobody else can do that. Okay, so these are the benefits of the Plus subscription and the Iconic subscription, and the difference between Plus and Iconic. Let's talk about the subscription plans. Hi, good evening Harshita. Iconic Guys, we have two types of subscription plans, 1 year and 2 year. 1 year iconic subscription is for 50,250 and 2 year iconic subscription is for 74,000. But if you are going to apply this referral code, this is my referral code, my first name Shefali, Shefali. By applying this referral code, you will be getting instant 10% discount. This means that for 1 year iconic subscription, you just need to pay 45,225, and for 2 year iconic subscription, you need to pay 66,600. So 2 year benefit subscription ke benefits ke this is basically beneficial for the students which are in the first year of BTech, second year or third year. Early stages pe you are starting with your preparation, and 1 year subscription is beneficial for the students which are currently in the third year, fourth year or those are pass outs. तो बच्चे इतनी अर्ली स्टेज पे प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करने के बेनिफिट्स क्या है? वी नो दैट वट एवर सब्जेक्ट्स वी आर गोइंग टू कवर अंडर द गेट प्रिपरेशन, दोज आर द कोर टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ योर ब्रांच विच आर इंक्लूडेड इन द करिकुलम ऑफ बीटेक. कौन से ईयर में और सेमेस्टर में? इट्स इंक्लूडेड इन द थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ सेमेस्टर. That is second year or third year of your BTech. So without putting in extra efforts, anyhow you need to perform well in the semester exams. So you can perform well in the semester exams. How? जब आपने गेट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कोई भी सब्जेक्ट प्रिपेयर कर लिया, दिस मीन्स दैट इन डेप्थ यू गॉट द नॉलेज, कॉन्सेप्चुअली भी अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया, थ्योरेटिकली भी, सो इजीली यू कैन राइट द सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स. अदर पॉइंट इज थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स कैन ऑल्सो राइट द गेट पेपर. गेट 2021 में थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑल्सो एलिजिबल. सो गिव योर 100%. ऐसा नहीं है कि फोर्थ ईयर में देंगे, अभी के लिए ऐसे बिना प्रिपरेशन के दे देते. डोंट वेस्ट योर चांस. सो गिव योर 100%, प्रिपेयर वेल, राइट द गेट पेपर एंड देन राइट and see what score you are getting. By any chance, if you are not satisfied with your gate score, in that case, you can again write the gate paper in the fourth year to improve your gate score. Other point is you can include this gate score in the resume. So this will help you in the placements. Resume shortlist हो गया. After that you need to go through 2 mandatory rounds. 2 rounds तो होते ही होते हैं. One is written round in which you will be facing multiple choice questions, and interview round. There are few companies, those are conducting their coding round as well. So what all subjects are required? बच्चे किसी भी कंपनी में प्लेसमेंट्स में अगर आप अपीयर हो रहे हो, दिस मीन्स दैट यू शुड हैव अ कोर नॉलेज, कोर टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स की नॉलेज आपको डिटेल में होनी चाहिए. सो दोज सब्जेक्ट्स आर ऑलरेडी कवर्ड इन द गेट सिलेबस, सो यू नीड नॉट टू पुट एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स फॉर दैट. एप्टीट्यूड आएगा, एप्टीट्यूड भी गेट सिलेबस में, वो भी कवर हो जाएगा. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू इन द प्लेसमेंट्स ऑल्सो. इफ यू आर टारगेटिंग ऑन PSUs, many of the PSUs are directly recruiting on the gate score. By any chance, you are targeting on some PSU which is not accepting the gate score, this means that they will be conducting their own paper. For example, ISRO is conducting their own paper, DRDO is conducting their own paper. So you can write these papers without putting in extra efforts, because whatever syllabus is there for ISRO paper or DRDO, that is the gate syllabus. और इसरो में तो बहुत सारे डायरेक्टली स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. ऑप्शन भी चेंज नहीं होती है, क्वेश्चन भी चेंज नहीं होते हैं. सो इजीली यू कैन क्रैक इट. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज अबाउट इफ यू स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन एट द अर्ली स्टेज, डोंट वेट टिल द लास्ट पॉइंट. अर्ली स्टेज पे प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करने का एक और बेनिफिट के, यू विल गेट सफिशिएंट टाइम. जैसे हम बोलते हैं यू कैन एक्सेस अनलिमिटेड लाइव लेक्चर्स. इसका मतलब कि अगर आपके पास सफिशिएंट टाइम होगा तभी तो आप एक ही टॉपिक को मल्टीपल एजुकेटर से लर्न कर सकते हो. अगर आपके पास ऑलरेडी लिमिटेड टाइम है, सिलेबस एक ही बार पूरा नहीं होगा, बार बार कहाँ से करोगे, राइट? सो बेटर आइडिया इज स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन वेल इन एडवांस, ऑन टाइम, सो दैट you get sufficient time for attending the sessions as well as for solving the questions. If we talk about the Plus subscription plans, in Plus we have 1 month subscription plan, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months and 24 months. 1 month subscription plan is for 4,950 after applying the referral code Shefali. 3 month subscription is for 12,375. 6 month subscription is for 22,275. 12 month subscription is for 27,225. 18 month subscription is for 34,650 and 12 A 2-year subscription, that is 24-month subscription, is for 39,600. That means instead of paying 44,000, you just need to pay 39,600 rupees for 2 years. Alright, so this is about subscription plans and benefits of getting the Plus subscription or the Iconic. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes? So let's crack it. Let's start with the topic for the day, that is Infix to Postfix conversion. That is nothing but one of the application of Stack. Yesterday we had discussed the basic concept of Stack, and also we have covered the codes, how to perform different operations, how to write the code to perform different operations on a stack. Now let's talk about the applications of Stack. So basically from Gate point of view, what applications are important? It's recursion. Recursion is one of the very important application of Stack that we have covered in programming, and also we have discussed the previous year questions. So now we won't be discussing this. Okay. Today we will be talking about Infix to Postfix conversion. That is also an application of Stack. Then tomorrow we will be covering prefix to postfix conversion, postfix evaluation, Tower of Hanoi, Fibonacci series. So these all applications we have to cover under data structures. These are the applications of Stack. Okay. So today we will be starting with Infix to Postfix conversion. Now what is this Infix or Postfix? Whenever you are writing any expression that can be represented in prefix notation, infix notation or postfix. कई बार एग्जाम में आपको infix, prefix या postfix नहीं देते. They'll say that polish notation. Polish is what? That is prefix notation. Prefix notation is known as polish notation, and reverse polish notation is nothing but that is postfix notation. Okay. Now on what basis these names are taken? Prefix, infix and postfix. अगर आप ध्यान से observe करोगे, in this term we have a term that is pre. Here we have a term that is in. Here we have a term that is post. Pre का मतलब क्या होता है? पहले. First of all, let's identify that in expression what can be present. For example, I am writing some expression a plus b. Normally इस type के expressions होते हैं 2 plus 3, 5 into 10, something like this. So a plus b, what is this a and b? A and b are known as operands. These are known as operands, and this plus is nothing but that is operator. So whenever you are having some expression, in that characters can be divided in operands or operators. So operands, in this case we have two operands, that is a and b, and only one operator is present, that is plus. Now these names are defined on the position of operator. Position of operator. Whenever we are taking binary operator, this means that two operands are required. So among those two operands, if operator is coming first, pre का मतलब क्या है? पहले, in का मतलब बीच में, and post means after. So अगर operator पहले आ रहा है, pre means पहले, पहले किससे पहले? Obviously before the operands. Plus is the operator. Operator is coming before the operands. What operands are available? It's a and b. So this is nothing but this is prefix notation. In का मतलब क्या है? बीच में. In the center. So operand 1, then operator, and then operand 2. Hi, good evening Lavjeet. Similarly, postfix का मतलब post means बाद में, later. So first of all, we need to mention the operands and then operator. What operands are available? It's A, B. These are the two operands and then operator. So if we write the syntax, if I write the syntax, so prefix में क्या होगा? First of all, operator. Pre means पहले operator आएगा, then operand 1, and then operand 2. Clear? Are you following this concept? Infix का मतलब क्या है? In means center में आएगा operator. So first of all need to mention operand 1, operator. In the center we have the operator followed by operand 2. Next is postfix notation. Post means later, after both the operands. So operand 1, operand 2 and operator. So if operator is coming first, that is pre, in the center in, after, that is post. यहाँ तक कोई doubt? Now you will be infix to postfix conversion का मतलब क्या है? You will be given with some infix expression and you need to print the postfix expression. This is the meaning of this application. First of all, we'll do it manually. Then we'll understand some rules, algorithm that can be used, that can be applied on the stack to get to convert infix expression to postfix expression. Clear? Any doubt till this point? First of all, let's consider what operators we will be considering. We know that whenever bracket is coming up, that is having the highest priority. Here, lower number represents the highest priority. So, if brackets are coming up, brackets are always having the highest priority, then exponential, this is what? Exponential operator. Exponential operator is having less priority than brackets, but among the operators, it's having the higher priority. Then multiplication and division are having the same priority. Don't compare it with Modbus, because Modbus ke according ke division is having higher priority than multiplication, addition is having higher priority than subtraction. So according to C programming language, multiplication and division are having the same priority. Both are available at the same level. Addition and subtraction are also having the same priority. So number 4 represents addition and subtraction are having the lowest priority. अब एक ही expression में, for example, you are having some expression a plus b minus c. So which one should be evaluated first? Both are having the same priority, तो distinguish नहीं कर सकते. In that case, if priority of operators is same, then we need to consider the associativity. Associativity means ऑपरेटर्स कौन सी डायरेक्शन से आपको रीड करने, कौन सा ऑपरेटर पहले एग्जीक्यूट होगा. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन आर लेफ्ट टू राइट एसोसिएटिव. दिस मीन्स दैट इफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज गिवन टू यू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस विल बी इवेल्युएटेड and then this will be evaluated. That is the meaning of associativity. But for exponential, it is right to left. बहुत सारे students को confusion हो जाती है कि why is it right to left? Let's discuss this. For example, you are given with 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4. I can write this as 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4. So 2 exponential operators are coming up. Obviously, दोनों की priority same होगी. So we need to consider the associativity. So in this case, first of all, you will be calculating 2 raised to power 3 or 3 raised to power 4. Normal mathematics के rules है. Very good evening, Arpit, Anushka, Nishu. Good evening, everyone. So definitely 3 raised to power 4 will be evaluated first. Right? First of all, you will get the result for this one, and whatever value you will be getting here, then you will be finding 2 raised to power whatever value you will get here, that is 81, 2 raised to power 81. So this means that first of all 3 raised to power 4 is getting evaluated first. तो इसका मतलब कि दोनों operators में से which one is preferred first? This one, then this one. So what order is followed? It is what? It is right to left associative. So that is why exponential is right to left associative. Others are left to right associative. If in the question, in the paper, nothing is asked about or nothing is given about the associativity, कुछ भी consider या assume करने के लिए नहीं बोला, then you have to consider the default priorities and default associativity order. But if some assumption is given in the question, then you need to consider that. तो वहाँ पे ये नहीं बोलना कि हमें ये पढ़ाया गया था या सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में these are the rules, so we will follow this. Every time the preference is given to the question, whatever is given in the question, just follow that. Alright? Any doubt on this point? Priority and associativity is considered. Clear? Now, Infix to postfix conversion. I hope that the meaning of infix and postfix is clear to everyone. पहले हम बच्चे मैनुअली करेंगे and after that we'll use the stack. So that कि अगर बाय चांस, वैसे तो आपको कंफ्यूजन होनी नहीं चाहिए, बाय एनी चांस अगर थोड़ा बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो जाए तो बैकअप प्लान हमेशा आपके पास रेडी होना चाहिए. सो इनफिक्स का मतलब क्या है? ऑपरेटर विल बी प्रेजेंट इन द मिडल ऑफ टू ऑपरेंड्स. पोस्टफिक्स का मतलब क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नीड टू मेंशन द ऑपरेंड 1, ऑपरेंड 2. पोस्ट मींस बाद में आएगा ऑपरेटर. Clear? So I have taken some examples for infix expressions. For these infix expressions, we need to write the corresponding postfix expressions. बहुत easy examples से हम शुरू करेंगे. So what is this A? This is obviously operand. This is operand 1. This is operand 2. And this is what? This is operator. Right? Postfix में हम कैसे represent करते हैं? We need to write operand 1. Need to write operand 2 and then operator. So what will be its equivalent postfix expression? Operand 1 is A, operand 2 is B, and then operator is plus. So this is equivalent postfix expression. Very easy. कोई problem नहीं है इसमें. Let's go to other case. Now in this case, two operators are given. One is plus and other one is multiplication. सबसे पहले किसको हैंडल करोगे? We need to consider the priority. If priority is matching, then we have to consider the associativity. So in this case, for this operator, operand 1 is available, but instead of operand 2, we have some expression. So what is this expression? This is nothing but it's operand 1 for multiplication. This is for 2. अब मैम प्लस के बाद पूरा एक्सप्रेशन कंसिडर करने या सिर्फ बी कंसिडर करने? सो वी नीड टू कंसिडर द प्रायोरिटी. प्रायोरिटी किसकी ज्यादा है? एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन? ऑब्वियसली मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज हैविंग हायर प्रायोरिटी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू कंसिडर दिस ऑपरेटर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंसिडर दिस सब एक्सप्रेशन. Write this sub expression in the postfix form. For this multiplication, operand 1 is B, operand 2 is C, and operator is what? Multiplication. So instead of B star C, you got B C star, and here you have A plus. Now for this plus, second preference will be given to this operator plus. So for this plus, A is operand 1, this is operand 1, and this complete expression is now 1 unit. This is operand 2. Make sense? So this comes out to be, first of all, operand 1 will be printed, then operand 2 will be printed. This is operand 2, operand 1, operand 2, and then operator. You must have observed one thing, that only when you are converting some expression from one form to other form, only the order of operators is going to change. Order of operands remains the same. Here the order of operands was AB, so you got AB. Order of operands is ABC, order is ABC. सिर्फ यहाँ पे order किसका change हो रहा है? Operators का. Infix to postfix conversion है या फिर infix to prefix conversion और prefix to postfix. Any conversion is there. During the conversion, you can make a note of this statement. During a conversion, only the order of operators will change. This means that order of operands remains the same. Clear? Now consider third problem. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. In the third problem, I am taking two operators, both are having the same priority. So if priority is same, we need to consider what? We need to consider associativity. Associativity for plus and minus is what? It's left to right. This means that first of all this plus will be considered and then this minus. For this plus, what is operand 1? This is A, operand 2 is B. So what expression you will be getting? You will be getting AB plus. After that, consider this. This is operand 1. This unit is already considered. This is operand 1 for minus and operand 2 is C. So write this. Operand 1, it's AB plus, then operand 2, that is C, and then operator. Clear? Guys, any doubt till this point? Similarly, next we have A exponential A raised to power B raised to power C. So associativity we need to consider. Associativity for exponential is right to left. So the order will be, first preference will be given to the rightmost operator, then the left one. So consider this. Write this expression in the postfix notation. A raised to power. Write this expression in the postfix notation. It's BC star. Now for consider this one. For this is A is the operand 1 and this is operand 2. So operand 1, operand 2 and then operator. This is the expression. Clear? Next, fifth. What is the application of Polish notation? See, whenever basically focus is given on the reverse Polish notation, because whenever we are evaluating any expression, it requires only a single scan. So it takes less time for the evaluation of some expression. That is the application. Alright. In the fifth expression, we have brackets and operators. We know that bracket is having the highest priority. So first of all, this bracket will be considered. Then we have some operator, but bracket is given the preference 2. And then this operator will be considered 3. So write A plus B in the postfix expression. It will be AB plus CD minus, and we have the operator. So for this operator, this is operand 1. For this operator, CD minus is operand 2. So this comes out to be operand 1, operand 2, this is operand 1, operand 2, and then need to write an operator. So this is the equivalent expression. Clear? Why do we have difference in second and third answer, ma'am? In second and third. See, in second I have considered two operators which are having the different priority. Multiplication is having higher priority than plus. So first of all, multiplication wala expression will be considered, and then with the sum. Third case mein I have taken two operators, both are having the same priority. In third case, I have taken operators with same priority. So considering, so that is why we are considering the associativity. But in second case, we have taken two operators with different priority. So basically I have taken these examples in such a way that कि सारे cases cover हो जाए. First case में आपके पास एक ही operator था. Second में two operators of different priority, two operators of same priority, but associativity is what? That is left to right. Here two operators of same priority, but associativity is right to left. And in the fifth case, I have taken an example with the brackets. Whose doubt? Okay. Harshita, now is this clear? Great. So अभी तक बच्चे हमने जो expressions लिए, these were so small कि कोई problem नहीं है. तो it looks like why we need to understand or why we need to use an algorithm for conversion purpose. It's so easy. ये सिर्फ अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए है. Now let's take a complex problem. This is the expression. Okay, so many operands and operators are there. I want you to convert this infix expression to postfix expression. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया एप्लीकेशन के जब भी इवेल्युएशन होती है, so if it is infix expression, we know that the highest priority operator will be evaluated first. कोई भी expression है, कोई भी notation है, always the highest priority operator will be evaluated first. In infix expression, it can be present anywhere, right? So multiple scans are required to evaluate an infix expression. So that is why we are going for infix to postfix conversion, because to evaluate postfix expression only single scan is required. Obviously बात है, if less number of scans are required, so the complexity will be less. It will take less time complexity. Make sense? Now we want to evaluate this. Manual approach क्या बोलती है? I'll be solving 2 more examples with manual approach and then we'll go to the algorithm. Manual approach के according, first of all, you have to give preference to the highest priority operator, right? So find out where is the highest priority operator. कोई bracket है, brackets are having the highest priority, no brackets are present in the given expression. Next, priority will be given to the exponential operator. Exponential operators are present? Yes. 2 exponential operators are present. So which one will be preferred first? First of all, we need to refer to this one, because for exponential operator, associativity is right to left. So rightmost exponential operator will be evaluated first and then the second one. No more exponential operator is there. Then we will go to next level, that is containing multiplication and division are having the same priority. So many multiplication and division operators are there. So need to consider the associativity. Multiplication division के लिए what is associativity? It is left to right. So left side से देखो कहाँ पे multiplication आ रहा है? It's present here. So at the third position we need to refer to this expression, and then at the 4th place, at the 5th place. Then next we have plus and minus having the same priority, so consider the associativity. Associativity for plus and minus is also left to right. Left to right. So this one will be preferred next. 6, 7 and 8. Clear? यहाँ तक कोई problem? Now you got the order, you got the sequence. किस sequence पे आपको refer करना है expressions को? So first of all, we need to represent this expression in the postfix order. So what will be the postfix order for e raised to power f? It will be ef raised to power. Next, this is over. Next, you have to consider this operator. So this, for this one, it is operand 1 and this is operand 2. So this will be considered next. So operand 1 is what? First of all, need to write operand 1. Operand 2 is already represented in the postfix expression and then operator. Fine. 2 is handled. Go to the third number. So it's this expression. For this operator, B is operand 1 and C is operand 2. So print this. This comes out to be BC star. Then 4. For this one, this sub expression is operand 1 and this is operand. This complete expression is operand 2. Make sense? So operand, this is operand 1 for division operator and operand 2 for division operator. So write operand 1 followed by operand 2 and then division operator. यहाँ तक clear हुआ? Ma'am, multiplication and division have same priority. So why did we assign third to multiplication, not to division? Because in that case we are considering the associativity. We have already discussed that if you are getting two operators which are having the same priority, in that case we have to consider the associativity. Refer to the first slide. If priority is same, then in that case we need to consider the associativity, and for multiplication and division, associativity is left to right. Clear, Anushka? लवजीत, योर आंसर इज नॉट करेक्ट. बच्चे आप अपने आंसर को खुद ही इनकरेक्ट बोल सकते हो, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बहुत इजी पॉइंट बताया है कि जो भी आपके पास फाइनल आंसर आएगा उसमें ऑपरेंड्स का ऑर्डर सेम होगा. एंड इन योर आंसर मैंने ऑपरेटर्स चेक ही नहीं किए, मैंने सिर्फ ये देखा कि ए फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे आना चाहिए, बिकॉज इन द गिवन इनफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन ए इज द फर्स्ट ऑपरेंड, बट इन योर एक्सप्रेशन ए इज नॉट प्रेजेंट, सो योर आंसर इज नॉट करेक्ट. बाकी मैंने ऑपरेटर्स अभी चेक नहीं किए. सो यहां तक हैंडल हो गया. सो टिल दिस पॉइंट वी हैव हैंडल्ड. नाउ दिस इज वन एक्सप्रेशन. सो फोर्थ नंबर पे जो ऑपरेटर सेलेक्ट किया था दैट इज कंसिडर्ड. गो टू द फिफ्थ वन. फॉर फिफ्थ ऑपरेटर लेफ्ट साइड पे एक कंप्लीट एक्सप्रेशन आ रहा है. फॉर मल्टीप्लीकेशन दिस कंप्लीट एक्सप्रेशन इज ऑपरेंड 1. D is operand 2. So print operand 1, operand 2, and then operator. What operator is there? That is multiplication. So this is now one sub expression. Go to 5 के बाद sixth one. 6 is present here. In this case, for this plus, A is operand 1. This complete expression is operand 2. So write operand 1. Then this is operand 1, then this is operand 2. Operand 1, operand 2 and operator. So now this is one expression. After this, consider 7. This is operand 1. Operand 2 is what? That is C. For this minus, this complete expression is operand 1. C is operand 2 and minus. Then now this is one complete expression. For this plus, this complete expression is operand 1 and B is operand 2. So operand 1, operand 2 and operator. So this comes out to be ABC star, ABC star, DEF, par, division, D star plus C minus BE. B plus. So if you look at the order of operands remains the same. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, D, C, B. A, B, C, D, E, F, D, C, B. आप check करो, answer is on the screen. See if it is correct or not. Yeah, I guess that's correct. Is this clear? So this is the equivalent postfix expression. This is the answer. Is this clear to everyone? If yes, quickly give a thumbs up, and then I'll be giving you one more problem. Just try to get the equivalent postfix expression for that example, and then I'll introduce the algorithm. So solve one more example. This is the given expression, and for this you need to return, this is I, not divide. So this is I. So quickly return the equivalent postfix expression. So manually सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? Assign करो numbers जिस order में आपको operators consider करने. First preference will be given to the bracket. Bracket is not present in the given expression. So we'll be considering the exponential operator. 3 exponential operators are present. So we need to consider what? We need to consider the associativity. Associativity is left to right. Yes. So first preference will be given to a to b, second will be given to I raised to power a, third will be given to e raised to power f, right? Next, multiplication and division. Associativity is left to right. So बहुत सारे multiplications और division है. So associativity is left to right. Consider the associativity. 3 के बाद this will be evaluated at fourth number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then plus and minus is also having left to right associativity. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? Now just simplify the expression. First of all, you need to handle this operator. So this comes out to be AB exponential, AB exponential, then 2. For this 2, this is operand 1 and this is operand 2. So operand 1, operand 2 and operator. So this is now one complete unit. For this operator, this is operand 1, this is operand 2. So this comes out to be EF exponential. 3 is also over. Next, consider the fourth one. For this fourth one, B is operand 1, C is operand 2. So this comes out to be BC and division. Fifth, for fifth, BC division is operand 1 and this is operand 2. So D multiplication. This is one complete unit now. This is one complete unit. Next, 5 is handled. Go to 6. For 6, 1, this is operand 1, this is operand 2. Operand 1, operand 2 and operator. So similarly, complete this till 6th one I have covered. Find out the return the final expression. For 7th, this operator H is operand 1. This complete unit is operand 2. H, operand 1, operand 2 and operator. So this is one unit. For 8, operand 1 is this complete unit and operand 2. C is operand 2 and multiplication. For this division, this is operand 1, D and division, this is operand 2. So we got till this point. अभी तक आपके पास 3 units है. One is this one and this one. Right? Now, next 10. At number 10, A is operand 1. This complete unit is operand 2. Operand 2 and plus. So this is one unit. Till this point, we have one unit. This is operand 1 for minus and operand 2 is this one for minus till G. And operator is what? That is minus. So this is one complete unit. For this plus, till this point, it's operand 1 and this is operand 2 for plus. So plus. This is handled. For this minus, it's C minus. Is this clear? Everybody getting this answer? Just match your answers. So finally the postfix expression is, it's ABC division D multiplication plus EF power G multiplication minus HI AB exponential multiplication C multiplication D division plus E minus. Is this clear? Are you all getting this answer? Is it taking some time? तो बच्चे जैसे ही आपके पास एक्सप्रेशन कॉम्प्लेक्स होगा it will get complex and it will take some time to solve the problem. This means that complexity जहाँ पे आ जाए हमें ये होता है कोई easy तरीका बता दो. Ma'am, it's so confusing and so lengthy. So this is just for the backup plan. By any chance अगर आप confuse हो जाओ, although ऐसे कोई situation आनी नहीं चाहिए, but if that is the scenario, you should know that how to convert this. But for this, definitely we do have an algorithm which will make use of the data structure, that is stack. Manual approach is clear. This is using the manual approach. Now let's move on to an algorithm. Infix to postfix conversion rules using stack. So what are the rules? Whenever you are scanning some expression, you come across the operators. अभी भी हमने जब manually देखा तो we have seen some operators. Higher priority operator is considered first, right? तो इसका मतलब क्या है? Higher priority operator is considered first means that needs to be evaluated first. और stack का rule क्या है? That is last in first out. और सबसे पहले कौन सा operator pop out होगा? Which is having higher priority. So this gives you an idea that stack पे जब आपको कुछ operations perform करवाने, in that scenario we need to consider the operators. maximum 3 cases हो सकते हैं. Both the operators are having different priorities. On top of stack you have lower priority operator and next coming operator is having higher priority. I'm talking about the priority of the operators. Lower priority operator is present on top of stack and higher priority operator is coming next. Other case could be higher priority operator is present on top of stack and next coming operator is having lower priority. Lower priority. Third case क्या होगा? Both the operators are having the same priority. Same priority. On top of stack, whatever operator is present and next coming operator is also having the same priority. If that is the case, in that case, we need to consider the associativity. So associativity can be left to right, or right to left. This is the main point, main concept in the conversion. Right to left. Orders तो पता चल गया. अब ऑपरेशन कौन सा परफॉर्म हो रहा है? This operation can be, ऑपरेशन क्या हो सकते हैं? Stack operation can be push operation or pop operation. Now if on top of stack you have lower priority operator, बच्चे मैं एग्जाम्पल लेके बताऊंगी, मैं डायरेक्टली आपको टेबल नहीं कंस्ट्रक्ट करके दे रही हूँ so that कि आप क्रैम नहीं करो. If on top of stack some lower priority operator is present, next coming operator is higher priority operator, तो operation should be push operation or pop operation. दोनों में से evaluate पहले कौन सा होना चाहिए? Obviously multiplication because that is having higher priority. तो this means that अगर आप pop करवाओगे तो pop कौन सा element होगा? Obviously plus. इसका मतलब क्या है? पहले plus evaluate हो गया, but पहले क्या evaluate होना चाहिए? Multiplication. This means that multiplication will be pushed in the stack. It will be pushed in the stack. कौन सा element push होगा? That is next coming operator. Next coming operator will be pushed in the stack. Clear? On top of stack, we have higher priority operator. Next coming operator is having lower priority. So multiplication should be evaluated first before the addition. So this means that first of all this will be popped out and then you can push plus. So if lower priority operator is coming on top of higher priority operator, which operation will be performed? It will be pop operation. Are you following this concept? In case if same priority operators are coming up, for example, if A plus B plus C is there, जैसे आपने इसको स्कैन किया, you got this plus first, this is pushed in the stack, then you got B, A, B. जैसे एल्गोरिथम कैसे वर्क करते हैं, you need to scan the given expression from left to right. If it is an operand, then print that operand as it is. If it is operator, then you need to consider these rules. तो आपके पास operator आया, we have pushed this in, then B is coming up, then plus is coming. Having same priority, associativity is left to right. तो अगर आपने push कर दिया तो इसका मतलब क्या है, this is coming on top of this plus. This means that when you will be evaluating the expression, first of all, this will be popped out. But that is not the case. Associativity is left to right. इसके ऊपर ये plus नहीं आ सकता. So this means that we need to pop out the element from the stack. Very good, Anushka. It's pop operation. If it is right to left associativity, then what operation will be performed? In case it's right to left associative, then what operation will be performed? A raised to power B raised to power C. If a character is an operand, print that as it is. If it is operator, follow these rules. So initially top of stack is empty, so this will be pushed in the stack. Read the next character, that is operand, print this as it is. Now exponential is coming up. Both are having the same priority, associativity is right to left. Which one will be given the preference? Obviously this one. So this means that this needs to be evaluated first. If this needs to be evaluated first, तो इसका मतलब क्या है, पहले ये वाला ऑपरेशन पॉप आउट नहीं हो सकता, ये वाला ऑपरेटर पॉप आउट नहीं हो सकता. दिस मीन्स दैट इफ यू नीड टू पॉप इट आउट फर्स्ट, so first of all you need to push it in the stack. Correct? So it will be push operator. So if it is left to right associative, then it will be performing pop operation. If it is right to left, then it will be performing push operation. Make sense? These rules are very easy. बाकी algorithm में कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर operator आ रहा है, then you need to consider these rules. If it is operand, you are scanning an expression. If it is an operand, then just print it as it is. Right to left has just one operator. I have taken an example in which we have two operators. It's A raised to power B raised to power C. So first of all, you are getting an operand, so print it as it is. Then you got an operator, so push it in the stack. Again you got an operand, print it. Then again you are getting an operator. On top of stack and new coming operator, next coming operator, both are having the same priority, so we are considering the associativity. तो अगर बच्चे आप इसको pop out करवाते हो, if you are saying that कि push की जगह यहाँ pop आना चाहिए, so this will be popped out, right? तो इसका मतलब क्या है? This is getting evaluated first. This is considered first. But पहले consider कौन सा होना चाहिए? Obviously this one. So this means that this is coming on top of this one. So need to push this operator. Is this clear? If these rules are clear, so the Infix to postfix conversion algorithm is very easy. Main जो core part है, that is this table only. Clear to everyone? Although I have discussed the algorithm, अगर आपके पास operand आ रहा है, then just print it as it is. If operator is coming up, then need to perform the push operation or the pop operation. So on what basis we have to perform the operations? These are the possible cases. Case 1, case 2, case 3. Let's go to the algorithm. What's the algorithm? We have already discussed this. Consider the next element in the input. दो ही ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं, या तो आपके पास जो एलिमेंट होगा either it will be an operator or it will be an operand. If it is operand, then just print it, display it. If it is opening parenthesis, then consider this as a new expression and insert that on the stack. Insert it on the stack. If it is an operator और अगर stack empty है तो क्या करोगे? If it is empty stack, then simply insert the operator. Insert का मतलब क्या? Push the operator. अगर empty stack है तो definitely whatever operator is coming up, it's having the higher priority. If top of stack is opening parenthesis, then also insert an operator, push the operator. If higher priority, then the top of stack. If new coming operator is having higher priority, then top of stack. इसका मतलब क्या है? टॉप ऑफ स्टैक पे some lower priority operator is there and higher priority operator is coming up. So need to push in the operator. So insert the operator. Otherwise, if that is not the case, then delete the operator from the stack and display it. And keep on repeating these steps. अगर closing parenthesis है, then just close it. Then just close it and pop out the elements till you get the opening parenthesis. Delete the operator from stack and display them until opening parenthesis is encountered. Yesterday also we have talked about that stack is used for balancing the parenthesis. If there is no more input, this means that you need to consider the next element. अगर कोई भी element present है, then stop it. If it's operand, then repeat the same steps again. Correct? तो आपको इतनी सारी चीजें ध्यान में रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. सिंपल सी चीज है. अगर ऑपरेट है तो as it is print करवाओ. If it is operator, then you need to consider the rules that we have discussed. And if opening parenthesis is there, then obviously we know that brackets are having the highest priority. So push it in the stack. अगर आपके पास closing bracket आ रहे, then pop out all the elements until you get a opening parenthesis. Parenthesis को बच्चे expression में print नहीं करवाने. This is just for balancing purpose. Clear? Let's apply these rules on example for more clarity. We have already converted this expression, right? Manually we have done that. Now let's convert this expression using stack. Using stack. So you need to read the given string from left to right. First of all, you are getting what? You are getting an operand. अगर operand आ रहा है क्या करना है? Just print it as it is. So print, I want to write the postfix expression. This is operand, so just write this as it is. If it is operator, definitely we have to maintain a stack. Maintain a stack. Initially stack is what? Empty. So we are getting the operator. So this is empty stack. So push it into the stack. Read the next character of the string, that is operand. If it is operand, print it as it is in the result. Next we are getting division operator. Compare it with the top of element. Division is having higher priority than plus. Lower के ऊपर higher priority अगर आ रहे, then that will be pushed in the stack. So division will be pushed. Make sense? Read the next character. That is operand. So display it as it is. Next operator is what? Multiplication. Now multiplication is coming up. This will be compared with the top of stack. So what operation will be performed? Multiplication and division both are having the same priority. So we need to consider the associativity. Associativity for multiplication and division is left to right. If it is left to right, then we need to pop out the element first. So division will be popped out. Division will be popped out and then top of stack is what? Plus. Compare plus and multiplication. Multiplication is having higher priority than plus, so this will be pushed in the stack. This is handled. Read the next character. Increment the input pointer. Next, we are getting operand. So print this as it is. Any doubt till this point? Yes? No? Guys, please give me a confirmation. Is this clear? Great. Now D is printed. Increment the input pointer. Now we are getting an operator. Operator will be compared. What is the stack contents now? Currently it's multiplication. So minus will be compared with multiplication. Minus is having lower priority than multiplication. So अगर lower priority operator is coming up on top of higher priority के ऊपर lower priority is not allowed, right? So in that case we need to pop it out. Pop out the element, so this will be printed. Now on top of stack we have plus. Plus and minus both are having the same priority. If same priority is there, need to consider the associativity. Associativity for left and plus and minus is left to right. If associativity is left to right, need to pop out the element first. So plus will be popped out, printed. Now stack is empty. So this minus can be pushed in. Increment the input pointer. Next we are getting operand. Print this. Now next coming operator is exponential. Exponential is having higher priority than top of stack, that is minus. So this will be pushed in. Read the next character, that is operand. Read the next character, that is multiplication. Multiplication is having lower priority than exponential, so this will be popped out. Multiplication will be compared with minus, that is top of stack. Multiplication is having higher priority, so this will be pushed in on top of minus. Read the next character, that is G. Read the next character, that is operator. Operator, now in stack we have minus and multiplication. बच्चे मैं अलग से बना रही हूँ. This is actually not required in the same stack. Modifications will be taking place. This is just for understanding purpose. Now plus is coming up. Plus will be compared with multiplication. Plus is having lower priority, so multiplication will be popped out. Then next, on top of stack minus is there. Associativity is left to right, so pop it out. Stack is empty, so plus will be pushed in. Plus will be pushed in and increment the input pointer. Now one problem, your voice is not clear. Isn't it clear? Voice is breaking or what? Or this is because of cold? Breaking, then try to refresh your system, because it's clear for others, so this means that there might be some problem with your connection. So plus is handled, this is pushed in the stack. So read the next character, that is operand. Print this operand, and then read the next character, that is multiplication. Multiplication is compared with plus. Multiplication is having higher priority, so this will be pushed in the stack. Read the next character, that is I, that is operand. Next character is operator. Push it in the stack. Read the next character, that is operand. Read the next character, that is operator. Exponential is compared with exponential. Priority is right to left, so need to push it in the stack. I am applying the same rules. Push it in the stack and read the next character, that is B, operand. Next, multiplication is coming up. Multiplication will be compared with top of stack. This is having higher priority than multiplication is having lower priority than exponential, so this will be popped out. This multiplication will now be compared with this element. Multiplication is having lower priority than exponential, so this will be popped out. Multiplication will be compared with multiplication. Both are having same priority. Associativity is left to right, so need to pop it out. Multiplication is compared with plus. Multiplication is having higher priority than plus, so this will be pushed in. So multiplication is pushed in. Read the next character, that is C. So we got C. Read the next character, that is division operator. So division operator will be compared with top of stack. On top of stack we have multiplication. Multiplication and division is having same priority. So associativity ko consider karo. Associativity is left to right. This means that we need to pop out the element. Now division is compared with plus. Division is having higher priority, so push it in the stack. Read the next character, that is D. Read the next character, that is minus operator. Minus is compared with division. This is having lower priority, so pop it out. Minus is compared with plus. Having same priority, associativity is left to right, so pop out the element. Now this will be pushed in the stack. Read the next character, E. Read the next character, string is over, so pop out all the elements from the stack. In the stack only one operator is there, that is minus, so minus will be printed. This is the resultant postfix expression. You are getting the same result. Earlier we had found this with manually. Today, now we have returned the expression using the stack. I hope you got some clarity. So whatever expressions we have converted from infix to postfix, just try to get comfortable with the algorithm. टेबल के रूल्स को रिवाइज करें. टेबल के रूल्स को याद करने की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, क्रैम करने की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. You need to revise the concepts, you need to revise the rules, get comfortable, okay? क्योंकि इन्हीं रूल्स को थोड़ा बहुत हम चेंज करेंगे when we will be talking about infix to prefix conversion, prefix to postfix conversion and so on. तो केसेस यही बनेंगे, सिर्फ पुश पॉप ऑपरेशंस चेंज हो गए. सो डोंट क्रैम these rules, just understand these rules and try to attempt the questions. And what sort of questions can be asked on the basis of infix to postfix conversion? First type question क्या होगा? They'll give you some infix expression and some postfix expressions will be given to you and you have to find out the correct one. That is one type of question. Other type of question is, what type of stack is used here? Stack में बच्चे आप जो भी elements insert करवा रहे हो या pop out करवा रहे हो, obviously बात है जो elements insert होंगे वही pop out होंगे. So what elements are getting pushed in the stack? Only the operators. So while conversion from infix to postfix or while conversion, we are maintaining a stack. And what stack is this? This stack is known as operator stack. This stack is known as operator stack. Clear? Why are we calling the stack as operator stack? क्योंकि इस stack में आप जो भी elements push करवा रहे हो, जो भी elements insert हुए, only operators are getting pushed in. Operands को हम कहीं पे push नहीं करवा रहे. जैसे ही आपके पास operand आता है, operand को as it is display करवा देते. So this can be asked in 1 mark. In fact, gate में ये question आ भी चुके हैं, so you should be very comfortable with these rules. Is this clear? Why the stack is known as operator stack? This is one type of question. एक और type आ सकती है. During the conversion, they may ask for the stack size. What will be the operator stack size required to convert the given infix expression to the postfix expression? अब stack size क्या होगा? एक type में maximum आपके पास कितने elements present है stack में? For example, in this case, maximum size कितना गया है stack का? That is 4. That is known as stack size. Make sense? So I'm giving you a few problems. Tomorrow we will be discussing, we will be solving, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is no class. I'll be discussing the schedule. So you need to practice the questions. I'm giving you some questions and also you can try out the previous year gate questions or जहाँ से भी आपको questions मिलते हैं. So day after tomorrow, we will be having a practice session on infix to postfix conversion, and also will understand the concept of postfix evaluation. Alright. So using stack brackets वाला जो concept है, I have discussed with you how to consider the brackets. Using stack, you need to convert this and see if you are getting the correct answer. This is one problem. You can take the screenshot of this. This is previous year GATE question. You can attempt this question. This was asked on infix to postfix conversion. This is another question. This is another question. Similarly, you have to try out all the questions based on infix to postfix conversion. Is there any doubt? If you have any query, you can ask. And guys, please get comfortable with the rules. याद मत करना, क्योंकि जो next algorithms हम discuss करेंगे, अगर आपने rules को cram किया तो आप confuse हो जाओगे. Schedule for the upcoming classes. Today, daily we are having 2 sessions, one on the YouTube and other on the special. Timing for special classes 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. And for YouTube session it's 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. At 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. we are covering the concepts of data structures. Note, tomorrow there will be no session. I'll not be taking any session. Tomorrow, I'll not be taking both the sessions. Okay? So I'll see you a day after tomorrow. I'll discuss the agenda for the upcoming sessions also. At 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. we are covering the concepts of compiler design. Yesterday we had started with the concepts of SDT. So we have covered one type of questions. Today we will be covering remaining type of questions, compiler design, and topic is syntax directed translation. How do we check our answer if it is correct or not? I'll discuss that in the upcoming session, in the session which will be on 11th of November. I'll provide the solutions. Clear, Harshita? So today we will be having next session at 9 p.m. in which I'll be discussing the concept of SDT, and on 11th of November on YouTube topic will be practice questions on infix to postfix conversion, or whatever problems I have given to you. We will be solving those problems, infix to postfix conversion. And also, along with this, I'll be talking about the next application of stack, application 2, that is postfix evaluation. Postfix evaluation. This will be the agenda for the session which will be on 11th of November. So whatever problems I have given to you, I'll be discussing those problems in that session only. Alright? So now let's discuss the Mool Mantra for success. We know that today it is the age of competition, and all the competitive exams are based on speed, accuracy and logic, which requires constant practice from the very beginning. So whatever concepts you are learning, keep on solving the questions so that कि end पे जाके आपको revision के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा time नहीं लगे. And yeah, soon I'll post the link of the session, because soon I'll be planning a session on the revision strategy. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को रिवीजन में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कि रिवीजन करते हुए टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है, या फिर रिवीजन करने के बाद फिर से आप भूल जाते हो. नहीं भूलो, उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, विल डिस्कस दैट. मैम आज का नोट्स मिल सकता है बच्चे, किसी भी सेशन के नोट्स आर अवेलेबल ओनली इन द सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान्स. ओके, एंड डेफिनेटली अगर स्लाइड्स की बात करते हैं तो यूट्यूब की स्लाइड्स अवेलेबल नहीं हो पाएगी. जो भी आपके पास स्पेशल क्लासेस के लेक्चर्स है, स्पेशल क्लासेस आर आल्सो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. सो स्पेशल क्लासेस के बाद आपको पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करने के लिए एक ऑप्शन मिलती है. सो जस्ट गो थ्रू इट वंस. आई हैव नॉट क्रिएटेड एनी नोट्स. मैंने एज सच कोई नोट्स नहीं बनाए हुए. So whatever I am discussing, at the same time I'm writing that content. Yes, ma'am, please give a strategy for the students who are in the college of second year and third year. Second और third year students के लिए strategy यही है. If you are damn serious about it, then third year students should write. अब तो खैर पे फॉर्म फिल कर ही नहीं सकते हो, तो जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स करंट सेमेस्टर में आप स्टडी कर रहे हो उन पे फोकस करो, क्योंकि गेट में भी आएंगे और सेमेस्टर का काम भी हो जाएगा. एंड इफ पॉसिबल यू कैन गेट द सब्सक्रिप्शन. सारे नोट्स भी शेयर हो जाएंगे, सारी स्ट्रेटजीज, प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस, एवरीथिंग विल बी शेयर्ड विथ यू. And definitely I'll share the link of the video in our YouTube channel, and not the YouTube channel, Telegram group. So you know that our Telegram group is Let's Crack Gate ESE. Link of this group is given in the description box, so you can follow that link. And जिन्होंने भी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, those who are following my sessions for the first time, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos definitely. And yes, if you are liking the sessions, click on the like button, and in case of any query or any doubt, feel free to write in the comment section. And yes, if you have some suggestion or feedback, you can fill out the feedback form, and it's given in the link of the feedback form is given in the description box. Guys, बहुत सारे students को doubt है कि जो Unacademy पे sessions होते हैं, those are paid sessions only. If you want to cover the 100% syllabus, then you need to get the subscription. And अगर आपको discount चाहिए and you want to join my group, then you can use the referral code Shefali, that is my first name. Do you cover algorithms in live classes, ma'am? Algorithms बच्चे मैंने अक्टूबर में finish किया in the plus course था, complete course on algorithms. Each and every application, each and every reconciliation, each and every question, previous year gate question was discussed in that. Special classes पे और YouTube sessions पे 100% syllabus खत्म होगा before gate 2021. I'm not sure about it, but definitely if we'll get the time, I'll do that. But there is no guarantee. But yes, definitely if you want to follow my sessions on algorithms, then you can get the subscription and you can follow all the sessions, and also you will be getting the notes for that. You can download the PDFs. Clear, Harshita? In fact, this is for everyone. So those who want to follow my sessions on algorithms, you can follow those sessions. बच्चे YouTube पे भी एक playlist है, but उसमें 100% syllabus खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Okay? 100% syllabus completion के लिए you need to get the subscription. And referral code is Shefali. Any other query? Great. So this is all about this session. I will see you at 9 p.m. That is also a free session, and today's session is going to be a very interesting and very important from gate point of view as well. So thank you guys.